Good day, everybody. I'm just here to show you the new notifications that we got in, at least in the town. Wonderful sounds are from the wonderful Masako X. He's in Dragon Ball Z Abridged as the voice of Goku and Gohan. I got him through Fiverr. And these are the new notifications that we have for the channel for one subscriber of tier
Is that a
1.
Dragonite I see? Welcome to the Dragon Vibe Den, my fellow kid.
And then for Prime, we have this.
Almira has just become a Dragonite. Comma born too late to explore the
I'm going to delete all the
born too early to
speech
explore
stuff
the
that it does now.
universe, Born perfectly to explore dank memes.
Ho ho! A Dragonite Prime I see. Welcome to the Dragon Vibe Den, my fellow kid.
Molly just resubbed as a Dragonite Prime for 1 month. Born too late to explore the Earth. Born too early to explore the universe. Born perfectly to explore dank memes.
Tier 2.
My oh my! A Super Dragonite has appeared in the den. Boop the snoot with love.
Police just subscribed as a Super Dragonite, dude.
And now this is tier 3.
A Mega Dragonite has arrived.
Yep.
Jen just subscribed as a Mega Dragonite. Comma born.
Now this is for tips and bits. It's the same notification.
Gems, gold, power. All the things needed to run a good den.
Definitely greedy dragon here.
Bidget donated $2 of coins to the Horde, born.
And finally, for rating and hosting, we have this.
Warning! Warning! Incoming Dragon Flock! Counter with Dragon Vibes and Love!